This is Gil Briggs from Fitzgerald Auto Malls. At Fitzgerald Auto Malls, we care about the health of all of our customers and our staff. We have taken extreme measures to purchase equipment and a chemical proven effective against the coronavirus. This product is safe for all interior surfaces of your vehicle. And now I would like to take a moment to show you actually how the product is applied. This product is applied through a device that distributes a heavy mist to all surrounding surfaces inside your vehicle. We will be applying the product throughout the vehicle. We will pay special attention to high touch areas such as door handles, your steering wheel, gear shift, buttons, knobs, and seats. The product takes about 10 minutes to dry and the service is done at no charge. We are all in this together, and together we will get through this. Please go to FitzMall.com for more information, schedule a pickup and delivery, and check hours of operation. Thank you all, and always drive safe.